Diabetes prevention. The best way to deal with diabetes is prevent it in the first place. Of course, with type 1 diabetes, that really isn't an option. However, type 2 diabetes is quite another story. When it comes to type 2 diabetes, the most common type of diabetes, prevention is a monumental step. It's particularly important to make diabetes prevention a high priority if you're at increased risk of diabetes. For example, if you're overweight or have a family history of the disease. In the United States alone, experts at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention believe that diabetes will affect more than 48 million people by the year 2050. The best part about prevention is that it's almost never too late to start. It starts with eating a healthier diet, losing excess weight, and becoming more physically active. Whether you end up losing weight or not, physical activity lowers your blood sugar and boosts your sensitivity to insulin, which helps keep your blood sugar within a normal range. The American Diabetes Association recommends blood glucose screening for everyone aged 45 and older who's overweight. Remember, your doctor is your partner in good health.
Attention! If you're on Medicare with diabetes, you may be eligible for an upgraded meter.
Results from testing my blood glucose were often wrong. I'd have to code my meter.
If you're on Medicare with diabetes, then you need to know about the newest methods in checking your blood glucose. You don't have to code your meter anymore, and you don't have to stab your fingers. These new no-code meters are easier to use and nearly painless.
This new method hurts less, and I don't have to code the test strips anymore.
No coding helps make testing faster and confirms accuracy. And the best news is that Diabetes Care Club will send you one of these new meters.
I called, got my no-code meter, now my fingers don't hurt anymore.
Diabetes Care Club delivers the latest technology directly to your door for free. So call and find out why over 100,000 patients choose Diabetes Care Club.
Honey, you don't have to code anymore. Upgrade your meter and change the way you test now.
Now, living with diabetes is never simple, but together we can make managing it easier.